one that pretty much is my all-time fave, and pretty much sets the tone within the history of the Housewives is Mary. I understand. Let me just say this now, because there's always this sixth sense. I feel as if, I'm not gonna lie to you, I feel as if they were going to have Mary as a friend of yet again. I really do. I'm not gonna lie. I feel like that. And I feel like they were gonna have Brittany as a main cast member. I feel like Brittany was meant to be the snowflake holder. But when Mary came through with her storyline, they had no choice but to bump Brittany to a friend of and boost Mary back up to a full-time cast member. I could be wrong, but trust me, my sixth sense definitely tells me otherwise. I'm telling you, that is the reason why Mary made it to full-time cast member, because she shared something that no one has ever really shared in Housewives history. And that's mainly because, you know, you have these housewives who want to portray, you know, their somewhat of a fictional lifestyle, and they don't want to sometimes, you know, be vulnerable. They don't want to sometimes, you know, show us and tell us about the things that are really going on in their lives. You know, they want to keep that part of their lives or their story sheltered. And a lot of times they rob us of, you know, what it is that's truly going on in their life. And I feel like when it came to Mary, I don't even know if Mary saw that coming, you know, but that's what I love about her, is because she truly gives us authenticity. With Mary, what you see is what you are going to get. And a lot of times, it's majority of the time, it's not a put on with Mary. Like, Mary is going to give it to you, and she's going to be raw and uncut. And that's what we love about her. And she pretty much completes that dynamic of the Housewives within that franchise. For more information like this plus more, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like and comment as well. And a new episode is coming your way this week.